discuss about a task manager app using a FST concept in a DTML. Okay, so here we are discussing about a front-end and back-end designing about a particular app or any other real-time application. Let me discuss about our topic.
So I am Sahana. I am going to say about the introduction. So a task manager app helps users organize, track and manage daily tasks efficiently. So we developed this app using our design thinking, which is a user need and continuous improvement and also creating a user friendly.
So the first stage is Empathize stage of the design thinking. In that we have focused on understanding the real user problems before building the solution. Like we have interacted with college students, interns, working professionals, and what we have observed is task overload and stress. So many users have too many tasks but no structured way to manage them. So this leads to stress and poor productivity. Forgetting important tasks, users often forget deadlines, assignments or meetings. Lack of prioritizations. Users didn't know which task to do first, and using multiple platforms, notes app, WhatsApp, reminders, calendars, everything is separate and they don't know what to use at any time. Low motivation also a part of empathy. So when tasks piles up, user feels overwhelmed and stop tracking completely. So these are the empathy stages.
Now I am here to explain about the define of the problem. So first, user needs the system to manage the tasks and to track our progress, which means that we can add, delete. These are the few identification of that system tasks. So here users are facing the difficulties in managing their daily tasks properly. So they forgot their tasks and they cannot be able to track their work at any cost. So we define the problem as users need a simple and easy app to manage their tasks in one place, to add the tasks, edit the tasks and delete the tasks, and even they can track their tasks so that they can be able to manage the progress sufficiently. So which means that define means identifying the exact problem of our solution.
So hello everyone, this is Ideate phase I am going to talk about, and this Ideate phase is another phase in design thinking concept, and this Ideate phase consists of how we are going to give an idea, or else how we going to structure the solution for our problem set. So for this Ideate phase, we can able to use technologies like MERN stack, or else Python full stack, or else we can go about Java full stack. But we are using as our design thing, as our DT based video, we are going to talk about MERN stack application, which is MongoDB, Express, and then React, and then Next.js. So this is about task manager application. So for this we will be using our CRUD applications, that is create, read, update, and delete. So these operations to be implemented in the backend, and we need to implement in the front end, which can be a sample variant application with a task addition of tasks and deletion of task UI. And then in backend we need to implement a CRUD operations with the database. For database you can use Superbase, or else we can use about PostgreSQL in local machine, and then we can do Ngrok or else Cloud Platform to implement in the internet, and we can able to use the PostgreSQL local system into internet, and we can also be able to use as a cloud database system by implementing in our local system itself. So this is about idea.
So I am going to say about prototype. It is a working model. So features implemented here are user registration and login, which is JWT authentication. It creates update and delete task, task updation status, and it is a MongoDB storage, and the flow here used here. It starts from the user login and it creates the task saved in databases, and the user can update and delete anytime.
So finally, by using